just went and got our breakfast, come back. And every time I come back, he's a cheeky monkey. He's always pulled the pillow down and he's playing with it.
Are you finished?
Are you always playing with the pillow?
He's finished, Mummy.
He's always kicking it about on top of him and laughing. And you. Is that why you're always quiet? No, didn't put it on him. He has to get it himself. Oh, there he goes. There he goes. Look. Up.
Let's do it then. Let's do it then, River.
Oh. Am I distracting you?
Don't do that, Mummy.
Oh, he's got his bunny this time. You've got your bunny seeds. Ruby named your bunny seeds, didn't she? Anyway, let's eat my breakfast and Ruby eat your breakfast. Ready? Go on, go. Come on. Come on. You're supposed to push it off and I'll go boo. Boo. You can have it. You can have it. Boo. Where's River gone? There he is. Where's River gone? There he is. Where's he gone? There he is. You're gorgeous. Oh, you squeeze your face like this. Oh, no, 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 no. Oh, no, 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 no. What are you?
A cat.
A cat.
Meow.
My child is strange.
Meow. Meow. Meow.
What are you getting the camera for? Leave it in.